Hello and welcome to a new episode of UpKeep's video series. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Have you ever wondered how a well-strategized maintenance plan can transform your business operations? In this episode, we will break down the step-by-step process of creating an effective maintenance strategy, from categorizing your assets to implementing specific maintenance plans. We will also discuss the importance of tracking key performance indicators and how to take action based on your strategies. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your business operations, stay tuned. Let's kick things off by understanding why having a solid maintenance plan is crucial. If your business doesn't yet have a strategic approach to maintaining your equipment, it's time to start building one. First up, let's talk about categorizing your assets. Imagine plotting your equipment on a 2x2 matrix, where one axis shows the cost of failure and the other the cost to track conditions. This isn't just about knowing what you have, but understanding the implications of each piece of equipment failing and how easily you can monitor its condition. Rate each asset on a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being high cost or difficulty and 10 being low. This initial step is foundational in guiding your maintenance decisions. Now, let's move into the data collection phase. Document all your equipment details, including name, category, cost, and lifetime. This information will be crucial as you score each piece of equipment based on the cost of failure and the ability to track its condition. Think about all the factors like downtime costs, safety risks, and the probability of failure. Once you've got your scores, plot these data points on the matrix we discussed earlier. This visualization will help you determine the most suitable maintenance strategy for each asset. With your assets plotted and strategies beginning to form, it's time to assign specific maintenance strategies. Whether it's run to failure, preventive, or condition-based maintenance, each strategy should align with the asset's role and risk in your operations. Remember, if regulatory compliance is a factor, let those guidelines lead your strategy choices. Next, set up reports and establish key performance indicators, or KPIs, for your team. This could include tracking the percentage of your assets under each maintenance strategy or monitoring schedule compliance. These metrics are vital for understanding the effectiveness of your maintenance plans and making necessary adjustments. As we wrap up, let's discuss taking action. For each maintenance strategy, there are specific steps to follow. For preventive maintenance, create schedules based on optimal intervals. For condition-based maintenance, invest in the right equipment to log and track conditions. And for predictive maintenance, start small with pilot assets, gather and analyze data, and use this information to predict and prevent failures. Thank you for watching this episode. We've covered the importance of a well-strategized maintenance plan, how to categorize your assets, assign specific maintenance strategies, and track key performance indicators. Remember, maintenance isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about strategically preventing breakdowns to save costs and enhance efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can revolutionize your business operations, visit upkeep.com. Keep tracking, keep optimizing, and see the incredible impact a well-executed maintenance plan can have on your operations.